Are you eating plant-based? Not sure how to effectively get a balanced plate? A common struggle with a plant-based diet is relying heavily on highly processed foods. These foods are high in salt, added sugar, and fat, in particular, those meat replacements, as well as not meeting protein requirements as those eating vegetarian or vegan. Today, we're going to talk about how to make a balanced meal if you are following a plant-based eating pattern. Visually, you want to cut your plate into thirds. It is an easy way to improve your diet with all the whole foods needed to meet your daily intake. Starting with a third plate non-starchy veggies. This might look like broccoli, asparagus, or Brussels sprouts. Then adding in a third of your plate whole grains, starchy veggies, or fruit. This might be corn, barley, brown rice, or some berries. And last, adding a third of your plate with plant-based protein, such as edamame, chickpeas, or tofu. Rounding off your plate with adding in those healthy fats such as nuts, seeds, or avocado. This allows you to be provided with all the nutrients you need when appropriately pairing these foods together. This can also help with meeting your protein requirements for the day. A few things to consider when eating a plant-based diet is including some fortified foods and supplements to potentially fill in some of those missing gaps. A few fortified foods to consider include dairy milk alternatives that make sure we're getting those vital nutrients like calcium and vitamin D. You can find that in hemp, oat, or soy milk. But make sure that you consult with a dietitian about adding in these supplements, such as adding in vitamin D or vitamin B12. Vitamin D is needed for the absorption of calcium, and then vitamin B12, it is not produced by plants and will need to be obtained through some fortified foods such as nutritional yeast. So remember, incorporate this simple plate method when eating at home, meal prepping, or even dining out on occasion to continue to follow a whole food, plant-based diet.